Because he'll go. If he sees the grass and he has this little path like this, look up at that light before the kitchen light was on. Oh my God. That's why I told her, you got to have to put a hat on, because it's a good thing the storm came when it did. Otherwise, it would have been a disaster for people today. Put the tea water on. Look, it's already filling up.
Mm-hmm.
Put the hood on. She won't listen.
Oh.
So you gotta protect your head and your face, because you're not gonna be able to see what you're doing. That's already 20 inches of snow. And try again? Call him out. Come on, go see. Audrey's fixing.
You want to try and come out?
Yeah, come on, try. Go again. Go.
Come on.
Okay, go ahead now.
I got some grass for you.
Go ahead. Come on.
Girls.
Good boy. Go ahead.
Come on, sweetie. Come here.
Come on.
You have to go.
Go. You gotta go. At least make it go.
Do a little tap.
He'll stop right there and go. Maybe. No? Oh, he's not gonna.
He's like, hell no. Just like